Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018. Question number 4. What is the commodity associated with OPEC? Is it option A, coffee, B, iron and steel, C, vegetable oil, D, mineral oil, E, sugar? Now, for us to understand this and put it into perspective, we need to know what OPEC stands for. OPEC, as we all know, is the acronym. It's an acronym actually. So OPEC is an acronym which stands for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. So that is what OPEC stands for, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now, as the name implies, it is an organization which has countries that export crude oil, or you can call it petroleum or mineral oil, as its member states. Now, it consists of 14 nations. OPEC consists of 14 nations, and it was founded in 1960. OPEC was founded in 1960 in Baghdad, and we all know where Baghdad is. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Its headquarters now is in Vienna, Austria, and we all know that Nigeria is a member of OPEC. So OPEC is actually an acronym for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, and it has 14 countries, and it's founded in 1960 in Baghdad. So from this definition, you can see that the right option is mineral oil. That is the commodity that OPEC is associated with. Thank you.